So without wasting time, let's directly get to the point that how you can get 1000 subscribers on YouTube in just 5 minutes and without any single videos. And I will show you the proof. So the only thing you have to do is you have to keep watching the entire video till the end without skipping a single second, because if you skip, this is not gonna work. So I will show you only 2 steps formula to get 1K subscribers. And the second step is the most mandatory, so you need not to miss it. So first of all, the first step is you have to open up your App Store if you are on iPhone, and you have to open up your Play Store if you are on Android. And after that, you have to go to the search button available in the bottom right corner of the screen for App Store, and again tap in this search bar. This is the first and mandatory step. Keep in mind, if you don't do this, you may not be able to get 1K subscribers on YouTube. So after going into App Store or Play Store, you have to search here YouTube and hit the search button. And when this YouTube app appears up, you have to tap on it, and you have to first of all update your YouTube application by tapping on this update button right here. If your YouTube is not up to date, this trick may not going to be working. And after updating YouTube, the second thing is you have to again go to the search button and search here YT Studio and hit the search button. And again, when this YouTube Studio appears up, you have to tap on it, and you have to also update this YouTube Studio application. So after updating both of these 2 apps, you are done with first step. Now after updating YouTube and YouTube Studio, the second and most mandatory step is you have to open up your Instagram application. Don't worry, I'll show you in just a bit that how this is linked with YouTube subscribers. So you have to open up your Instagram application, and after that you have to tap in this search button available in the bottom of the screen next to the home button. So tap on search, and again tap in this search bar available at the top of this search screen. Right here, how to official 0. And if you have written the right spellings, then this Instagram account will appear up. So you have to open this Instagram account, and next thing you have to do is you have to tap on this message button available on this account and write here a message that I need 1000 YouTube subscribers. Or you can also write any number of subscribers you need. You can also write 10,000 or 1 million or 500K or 100K. Just write it and send this message. This is my Instagram account, and as soon as you message me, I will provide you 1K subscribers in just 5 minutes, just at the cheapest price of $15. So in this way, 100 subscribers cost you only $1. So as soon as you message me, I will give 1000 subscribers in just 5 to 10 minutes. And if you think I'm a scam or this is a lie, I have opened this account for showing you some proofs. If I go to my inbox, and here is the proof. Here's a client of me. I had a successful deal with her. This has nothing to do with YouTube subscribers, but this is just to show you that I'm doing it from a very long time. As you can see, this message is from 2023. And if I show you another person right here, this one, and you can also see another satisfied client here, and my inbox is full of all the people who needed some kind of services, and I have successfully provided them. So go ahead and message me on Instagram, and let's do it in just 5 minutes. I'll be waiting for you there.